there's a gold balloon inside a bubble balloon. You'll need a gold balloon, and this is a 5-inch, and the tiniest bubble balloon that you can find. You can use a straw or a chopstick, like I'm using, something that's not gonna pop your balloon. And then we're gonna double stuff this gold balloon into the clear bubble balloon. Like this. Inflate it the size you want, and we are going to tie the inside balloon only, like this. And this is going to be part of my Christmas ornament. And then attach it to your gold shiny one. You're going to tie it the same way you would tie a quad. Just go around a few times and make a knot. And the last step is you're going to put some Christmas decoration on it. You can tie it with rubber bands, or you can attach it with some balloon tape. And that's it. You'll see the video with this ornament on it really soon, so stay tuned.